Are you tired of uncertainty, wishing there was a way to occupy his thoughts constantly? Have you ever pondered how to make him think about you all the time? Are you curious about the psychology behind occupying a man's thoughts consistently? These are the questions we will be answering in this video. Welcome to our channel. Join us on a journey to your happier self. Today, we're exploring the most effective ways to ensure you're always on his mind. Get ready for a ride because the 7 tips we're about to share with you are not just informative and actionable, they're backed by psychology. Stick with us until the very end. You don't want to miss any of the secrets we're unveiling in this video. Let's dive into the main point: how to make a man think of you all the time. Number 7. Stop initiating contact. In the realm of romantic intrigue, less is often more. Picture a scenario where his thoughts are consistently drawn to you because you've graciously given him the room to miss you. While the instinct may be to reach out when a man becomes distant, it's counterproductive. Allowing him to take the lead in initiating contact sets the stage for him to realize the void your absence creates. Break free from the cycle of constant communication and let anticipation build. This absence will magnify the impact of your presence, making him appreciate your connection even more when it naturally unfolds. Number 6. Make yourself your best friend. Attraction is a multifaceted phenomenon, and at its core is the perception that someone is leading a fulfilling life. Transforming into your own best friend is the secret sauce. Engage in activities that bring you genuine joy, irrespective of his messages. Convey that your happiness doesn't hinge on his presence. Live your life to the fullest, and watch as he yearns to be part of the vibrant world you've created. Number 5. Make your life mysterious. Harness the innate curiosity in men to your advantage by cultivating an air of mystery around your life. Restricting the information available to him through social media stirs intrigue and captivates his interest. If he can't predict your every move, he becomes more eager to unravel the enigma of your life. A touch of mystery not only adds spice to the relationship, but also ensures he stays intrigued, continuously yearning to uncover more layers of your fascinating persona. Number 4. Leave a lasting impression. Be the memorable woman who leaves an indelible mark on his heart. When together, immerse yourself in the moment with a positive and engaged demeanor. Craft memories of shared joy that linger in his mind and bring a smile to his face when thoughts of you arise. By being a source of genuine enjoyment, you become the oasis of happiness he craves. Leaving a lasting impression ensures that he misses not just your physical presence, but the emotional warmth and joy you bring into his life. And before we unveil the top 3 secrets to make a man think of you all the time, if you like what you have seen so far, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget the bell. Number 3. Let him live his life. Paradoxically, making a man miss you involves granting him the freedom to live his life independently. Allow him the space to pursue his interest without constant check-ins. Showing that you're not emotionally tied fosters an appreciation for the time spent together. Striking a balance between missing your unique qualities and relishing his independence creates a magnetic dynamic. The goal is to let him experience a sense of longing, making the time spent together all the more cherished. Number 2. Stop giving a damn. In the intricate dance of romantic pursuits, the art of not caring can wield extraordinary influence. Refrain from fixating on when he'll text or call. Immerse yourself in personal tasks to underscore the point that your world doesn't revolve around him. Practicing mindfulness techniques become your shield against the temptation to reach out in moments of weakness. This strategic detachment not only maintains your emotional equilibrium, but also makes you an intriguing puzzle he yearns to solve. Number 1. Have an open and gentle attitude. Navigating the delicate balance between connection and independence is an art form. While natural instincts may lean towards hurt or offense when he returns after a period of absence, maintaining an open and receptive attitude is the linchpin. Demonstrate that you are a safe haven, a place free from judgment where he can be his authentic self. This open embrace creates a sense of security, fostering a yearning for the genuine connection shared with you. It's about being the harbor he seeks when navigating the complexities of emotions, ensuring that he not only misses your physical presence, but the emotional sanctuary you provide. Remember, incorporating these strategies into your love life requires a thoughtful and gradual approach. Let us know in the comments below if you are ready to follow this advice. And if you're not sure whether your crush likes you, check out this video. Thanks for watching.